Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to monitor asset rebalancing suggestions on Empower. You want to keep your portfolio balanced? Well, you're going to need to know how to monitor rebalancing suggestions. So let me show you what to do. Now, the first step is to go to Investing tab. On your Empower dashboard, you're going to click the Investing tab. Then you're going to open Allocation View. So select Allocations to see how your assets are spread across stocks, bonds, and other categories. Next is to check target allocations. Now, Empower shows your target allocations based on your risk profile, so you can go ahead and compare it to your current mix. Next is to view recommendations. So if your allocations is off, Empower will display rebalancing suggestions like moving 3% from bonds to equities and the likes. Lastly, you can review before acting. So remember, Empower suggests changes, but you get to choose whether to make them with your broker. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.